Good morning everyone. My name is Narwana from grade 1. Our activity is based on good and healthy habits. Why are you late, Komal? Okay, I got it. Your mom told me that you were watching TV till late night. So you are very late for your school. Go and sit. Now we will discuss about good habits. Stand up one by one and tell about good habits. Go to bed early in the night. Cut your nails on time. Take a bath every day. Wear clean clothes. Comb your hair neatly. Wake up early in the morning. Brush your teeth twice a day. Eat healthy food. Wash your hands before and after having a meal. Now we all will follow these good habits daily. Thank you. Have a nice day.